everybody, I'm Nimrat Kaur Ahluwalia and you're watching me with Celeb Mode. So guys, मैं बताना चाहूँगी कि मेरी लाइफ के सारी एग्जिस्टेंस में मुझे इतना प्यार पहले नहीं मिला है एंड ऑफ कोर्स लव इज़ नॉट मॉनिटरी बट दिस जेस्चर इज़ डैम स्वीट बिकॉज आई मुझे नहीं लगा था कि यू नो like I never expected it. So firstly, thank you to everyone who has sent this for me. I need your help to hold this for me while I simultaneously open up things. Okay, so this is the card, right? Okay, let's see. I'm very excited. I love unwrapping things. Can I be like a little jahil? Yeah, or I'm just gonna no. Ugh. I'm very bad at it. I will not hear it. No, it's my gift. My card. Okay. So, okay.
She requested me कि अलग से लेकर जाना please संभाल
Oh, dude, this is so cute. Oh, damn.
के. Can you just show it to camera?
Oh, wow. Yeah, so I'm going to read. So this is from Nimrit Land and Nimrit Era group. Uh, and they're thanking my mother. I don't know why they're thanking my mother. Maybe because she gave birth to me. I don't know what is the reference to this. I'm very curious. But thank you guys. Also, they've sent me this, which is again handmade, which is very cute. I'm just going to read this out. Happy birthday, Nimriti. May you always stay happy and blessed. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Have an amazing year ahead. You've always been a source of happiness to a lot of people. May your happiness multiply and may all your troubles be subtracted from your life. That's so sweet. You're a role model that teaches people to stay positive, keep fighting, remain brave, stay ambitious, and stay strong. Yeah, we go, girls. You're my most treasured one, whose beautiful smile who's beautiful inside out. That's simply nobody else. There's simply nobody else like you. I wish and pray on your special day that may God's blessings be always with you. May all your wishes come true. May you have an amazing year ahead. These are not just words, these are my feelings and my love for you. I hope you'll find the gifts. This is proud underscore Nimritian. Yay, thank you. This is damn cute, yeah. Okay, now let's come to the fun part. Let's start with the smallest. Happy birthday, Nimzi. Keep shining, keeps inspiring, and keep smiling. Who is this from? Same people? Okay. Wow. Is it like, is there more wrapping paper on it? Oh damn. This is like a game. No. Oh, I love unicorn. I love unicorn. Everybody knows this. I love unicorn. This is so cool. I'll actually use it. Thank you. This is so cute. I'm placing this here. Okay. Next message. These are crystal chargers for your Nimdidi and my mother is getting gifts. Yeah. Why? I mean, no, I'm not jealous, but it's my birthday. No, I'm not sharing it with her. She's in Delhi. I'm not giving it to her. Everything is mine. My birthday, my gifts. Okay. Oh, they've sent two. I'll have to share it with my mother. That's so sweet, yeah. Rip it apart. Okay. This is damn fancy, yeah. It's a crystal rotary slideshow. I have no idea how this works. I'm sure.
She might have actually sent us.
Probably. I'm opening my birthday gift. Sorry. What have you got me for birthday? Nothing, no? Be nice to me at least. That's all you can do, Sunny. Niceness. Okay, this is the charger. Yeah. Lack of time also. But yes. Oh. Okay, so it's a charger. I need to. Oh, so I keep my phone here and I plug it in. Thanks, guys. I need this. Amazing. Okay, this is for my mother. We'll give it to her. Thank you. No, that is the same. That I'm not opening only because I know it's. हाँ जैसा आप कहो. बाकी सब पहुंच गए. सब. मारे तो यही है, ले जाओ उसको, उसके बाद जाऊंगी. हाँ यार कोमल नहीं रोशन start helping me unwrap the gifts. कार्ड पकड़ो. These are crystals for you, Nimjidi. हैं? Thank you so much, auntie, for giving us an angel. Oh, okay. This is for my mother. Keep this. Why is my mother gifting gifts, yaar? I should be the one getting them. I mean, I am getting them. Okay, this looks damn cute. Let's see. Oh, I love these slippers. I think they have all stalked my Instagram and they know exactly what I use. Ah, Roshan, open it. And it's a unicorn one. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you. This is just a crystal box for crystal protection. I'm getting too confused. Oh, I love diaries also. Oh, this is so cool. I have a lot of hidden secrets. Thank you guys. So cute. Oh, I love you, Namzidi. I love you, Namzidi. That's so sweet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Has she just filled it up? Oh. This is too sweet, man. I can't believe this. This is so sweet. Thank you. जैसे एक डब्बा नहीं खोला रोशन डफर. थैंक यू. ये करके फिर वापस आ जाना. बस वापस आएंगे. फिर 5 मिनट में आ जाएंगे. हाँ सही में मैं 5 मिनट में आ जाएगा. That's a lot. चलो. Sweet, yeah. This is so cute, man. Nobody's ever done something like this for me. Please keep capturing whatever I'm saying. Good for you. Okay, I think I need Okay, yeah. Okay, this is damn cute. It has my mom, my dad, and me, and it's from Meera. Thank you. Okay. Should we open this? Yeah, I think it's for it's for my mom, right? Guys, I want to know why you're gifting my mother so many things, yeah. It's my birthday. हाँ करना यार. चंदू शक्ल दिखा. खोल बेटा फिर दिखा. Special gift for a very special person in my life. I love you, Rimshi. Cute. I love how they've done double packaging.
Double 4 times हाँ मैं थोड़ा आपका काम आता है.
Thank you. I'm very curious to know what is there next. हाँ. चलो तो बोलते सेलिब्रेट हाय राम. मैं तब तक ये खोल लेती हूँ. What is this? चंदू खोलना है. We're creating a lot of ruckus and mess. मुझे कैंची लेके बैठना चाहिए था. Ooh, it's a box. I love boxes. I like how everyone knows what I like. Just shut up. Yeah, this is so cool. I'm gonna keep. Oh, this is so nice, guys. I don't know how you know this, but I love unicorn. I love unicorn zippers, and I love jewelry boxes. I don't know how you guys know this, but it's all so apt. Really. लैपटॉप नहीं है पागल है क्या Oh wow. Oh, it has my initials. NK8 bitches. This is so cool. अब तो इसका point है क्या? Wow. Wow, dude. This is fab. I'm gonna put this in my makeup room. This is beautiful. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I feel like being me is an accomplishment at this point. Thank you, guys. This is so cool. Thank you so much. Shut up. Okay, so all done. I really want to say that this is the first time that I have received something like this. I never expected this, and this is so special. I think I didn't have much excitement about my birthday, but this has only made me feel good. And I just can't say, I don't know what to say. I just thank you so much, guys, because I just love the fact that you guys know me. You know, all the things that I like, and the fact that even though you guys are so far away, but you've made the effort to send me all your love, it's priceless. Thank you so much. Perfect. Okay. So I am going to take a picture of this. I just want to say thank you to Meera, to Yashi, Sona, Yashika, Prisha, Sakshi, Drishti, Subi, and Afra. And I'm obviously going to share the pictures on my Instagram, and I'm going to tag you all. And I just want to say thank you so much, guys. बहुत अच्छा यार. I mean, like I said, that this is the first time that I've received something like this grand on my birthday. Of course, I've received gifts before from fans, and sometimes books, which is very nice that they know what I like. So many times they send in cards, cakes. There are a few frames in my room, but this is too personalized and this is too sweet. Thank you.
आपके लिए आपकी बेस्ट बर्थडे मेमोरी कौन सी है?
I think this has to be one of the best birthday memories because, it is so beautiful that quite literally, I personally, like, I've never met any of these people, but I feel like I know them already. And the fact that they feel like they know me, and the kind of, love that they have shown and affection that they have shown, it's truly so sweet. I know, for my mom also. Can you believe it? Like, I thought I was the only one who used to think that my mom's great, but clearly people think that she's greater than me. And on my birthday, they have sent her gifts, which is a first. Of course, I feel jealous, dude. I mean, it's my birthday, so why? It's my birthday.
How would you describe your birthday?
I am someone who has always been very excited about my birthday, but I think now I'm hardcore adulting. I just hope for good health. This past 1 year has been very challenging for me personally. I think I've grown a lot as a person. I'm grateful for the ups and downs. And my birthday, it's like my birthday resolution is just to make sure that I am a better version of me. I make sure I give myself enough credit, enough love, and I'm not so harsh on myself.
Have you ever been through a birthday drama?
Birthday drama? No dramas. Dramas are only for the screen.
What thought comes in your mind when I say birthday?
It's my birthday.
जैसे तो हमने ऑन स्क्रीन देखा है तो देखते ही आ रहे हैं लेकिन हाउ इज इट ऑफ स्क्रीन?
I'm pretty like chill, I feel. I think a lot of the qualities are very similar to Meher and Seher. But I don't know, how am I supposed to say things about myself? You guys should be telling me what you think of me.
And a phrase you would like to dedicate yourself?
A phrase.
I would have said a word, but a phrase.
I think I'll go with a word. and the word that I would think that describes me very well would be. Um, let me think. Let me think. It needs to be the right word. uh, a believer of manifestation. I would say that because I feel like people around me would have really like sort of underestimated me all through these years, and I feel like I've quite literally manifested things, and I've been a firm believer of my dreams. So I feel like I, throw it out in the universe all the time. I can't thank you guys enough for so much love, so much warmth. Thank you for making the show what it is. Thank you for making me who I am. Thank you for being a part of my journey, and thank you for making the effort of, for making my special day even more special. Thank you, and I'm so grateful for all of you.